can load up with one man, go up in our truck. Go up in our truck, but open. Yeah. Alright, now leave them. Watcha? Pull this to me. Let's go! Watch out, I'm some fling bag. Where you rum? Pass the rum. Oh, is a family channel? family friendly. Sorry, the OH.
The OH.
Didn't get the Maroon in my intro yet. You don't tell me to watch out. No, watch out, eh? You want to forward, eh? I'm telling you to watch out. Where you at? Outside, I'm not going. Nah, go in. Outside, I'm not going. Nakeem, you know one girl. Oh, little. Hey, go sit down. Yo, but look on the edge. I'm done. Right, boys, Jamaica. Beautiful. Best place to live, work, raise families, and get scared out of here. By 2030, by 2030. Vision 2030. Walk? Walk, you're mad. We're not look pan with the cloud pan top right. Yeah, but I only for space. My cook you.
Yeah, that's a piece of bamboo.
That's your feet.
Nakeem, Nakeem man.
Nakeem man. Ah, yeah, me say yo, want him answer you see man. We have to go walk then. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah?
You sure not up this way again?
No man, I'm not up this way. Sit down. After she carried come so far. After she carried come so far, she dash it away herself. Come down and they take down your bag then.
Wait, the jump out there?
Aside. Show. Fling. Put my glasses. Let me take out my glasses before I forget it.
Nothing.
You want to catch a come down, you know. Watch out. Wait. Who this? Mine. You have it. Oh.
You know, sad part.
Eh? Yeah. Can use that one now.
And it's start video.
Tyeisha.
Can I
We got up there and you take you up. Oh,
Oh, you Maggie.
give me fuck.
You can carry my bag for me, Nakeem, though.
Yo, take carry bag for me now. May I start? May I do the intro and forward. So, who for them there? Carry bag for me now. Go on. Oh, alright, let me show you now. Then we go to the intro. Yeah, like you know where I go. Go straight. Go on. Oh, yeah. Brown skin. Alright then, Chief. Yeah. So this off. So one of them. So as we say,
You tell me.
Yeah.
Come to the mind.
turn out which light? I just set it.
Look how close to the little see.
Oh, I get top bunk. You want to lick up your head? Ooh. Alright, vibes. So, so the four of them are going in this one. And I'm getting here basically for myself. That's not bad. Yo, may I go? May I intro with them? Soon forward. Maroons, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Today we have an epic adventure for you guys. We're currently at Whitfield Hall, and tomorrow we'll be hiking to the Blue Mountain Peak. So we're excited for that, and we're glad to have you guys along. Have the squad with me. I have Anna. You guys know Anna from the channel. You guys know Nakeem. I have my next friend Tyeisha. I'm a brethren Ian. So it will be the 5 of us here for the night. Yeah, so we're at Whitfield Hall. It's actually a bit further from the foot of the mountain than we anticipated, so that means that we'll have to start the hike earlier in the morning. It's my room up the door. Oh, I don't know about that. We're not afraid of in the darkness.
So we are going to
So we don't have to come out here, so? On the table here, so? So I'm not bringing the light?
yeah.
No, I think we have sufficient light. I wish I kept this. Oh, that's actually really pretty though. Watch a step. Yo. Oh shit. Alright, what else I do? Yo, what's that now? Yeah, man, I try to get them to carry the domino game outside, but it don't look like them interested to carry it outside. But damn, what else actually nice? Really nice. Look. It's pretty, man. So, what me did I say is actually the walk that we have to get to the peak tomorrow. It's going to be a long walk, so we have to start early, even earlier than anticipated, because we're basically like 1.5 miles further. About 2 o'clock tomorrow we're going to start. We're going to walk until we get to Portland Gap, and then from Portland Gap we're going to go through the gate and start the actual trail to the Blue Mountain. Hopefully we can catch the sunrise, because that's the aim. Yo, Ian, brother, yo, we might have to take out the drone yesterday. And so, turn off the kitchen on the phone. Can see? Yeah, yes, it. Can you use them? You pot them inside, don't you? Yes, I don't.
I thought they were right?
Yeah, just the rice milk. Is it well dark? So I just mix up the food.
That's why I want everything just chunk out.
You know, like, why out? Like, I forgot mute that part. Yeah? One go tell me and they say sausage dash it for real. So Ian dash it for real. You get at the end, man, I set you out. Dark your fridge. Watch my camera battery with 10%. You that up as a calm free every day, can hardly. Like a attic style, that's so creepy though, dog. Yeah, free. You have a little vibe. Yes. No one can't see nothing, but while the peasants on the bunk bed, I have under this a thick blanket, living lavish, mosquito net. You guys can't see, but it's minutes to 10. We're going to bed now, and we're going to start hiking by 2 o'clock. So catch you guys when we wake up. Nakeem, you have the cracks? No.
This is a squeeze it,
Don't go feet.
Anna, it's just a squeeze it.
Nakeem, I go feet cracks. No, you go put. Wait, take out Nakeem. Nakeem, wait, carry them shoes here. Take them off. Carry them here. Carry shoes them. After 2? That's swim. Alright guys, so we actually started the trot around 17 minutes to 2. See how long it takes. Hell, we now look no trouble.
And if you trouble,
And if you trouble,
we give it to you double.
we are going to give it to you double. Hey, yo, them really good enough.
When I say left, right, you say keep the time.
It's basically 3:07. So it's basically an hour after we started the hike. What happened is Anna actually she wasn't able to make it, so I had to take her back down to the site. So now the others went on, so now I'm approximately, I would say I'm about, oh watch away, I'm about 2 hours behind. It's now 3:15. Going to see how soon I can catch them up. If I can catch them up, I told them to wait on me by Portland Gap, so hopefully I can catch them up. Hopefully I can catch them and we continue the ascent together. But Anna couldn't make it, so I had to take her back. So I'm going to put down the camera and I'm going to see if I can reach them as soon as possible. Alright, I'll catch you guys soon. I don't know if you guys can see, but basically I'm back at Jacob's Ladder. That's where Anna would have stopped and I brought her back down. So I'm going as fast as I can because the sunrise is the main aim. So I want to see if I can catch the other guys and we can still catch the sunrise. Whew. Maroons, we got this. Oh crap. Would have completed Jacob's ladder just now. I'm extremely thirsty, but I want to cover more ground before taking a water break. Sometime later, we're on the mountains now. Just want to get to Portland Gap. Hopefully the guys are there. If not, I just have to trot on to the peak by myself. Oh. Alright, so I see I finally made it back. I made it to Portland Gap. This is the gate. You probably can't see it, but sorry for the darkness in this video, guys. So what we're going to do now, hopefully the guys are still here so I can rest for a few because I didn't stop. I walk straight, and then we can start ascending the actual mountain. So yeah, we're at Portland Gap. Oh, fuck. I'm gone. The fog. Oh. Yo. You no good?
Yo, Lambo, you're walking at that? You never forget.
What time?
Next half hour, brother.
What time?
4:05.
Sorry, 4:05.
I'm a budget for
Oh, it take me. Hold on, my left. We bring her down. No, we bring her down. My left 3:17.
Which one do you hold?
Yeah, just hold it.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so.
You know, so something probably drop out though, because my bag did the back of me. I don't know what.
Pass the Doritos. Pass the Doritos. Alright, no say 40 then.
Yeah? No, say 40. Watch yourself.
Keep very right, guys.
What time now? 10 after 5? 12? Alright, we're not going bad. Alright, time check. 5 to 6? Get in there. Because we can't go bro. Oh, get in there. Amen. You good?
Yeah. Don't know.
Around so we go. I want to sit in here, so but dark. Up so we go. Around so one part there. We are follow. Go on this, sir. At this, sir.
You sure?
Yeah. Last time when we come under this, so we end up go through here, so. Just follow your part, man. Yeah. Yeah, they're not too far.
How far?
They soon be here, not far.
Oh, you know that?
Cloud cover though. This. Done dirty already, you know, so we just have to see it. So we wait till them free up this up.
Cloud them stars.
Cloud for real. Woo. I left out originally 207. 634. We do it good. Do it quick.
Just know, bro.
Oh, it cut you. You see it?
I'll be alright.
Oh, I don't know.
Wow, really?
You hungry now? You hungry or free? See what I go on here, sir. The fog now you no justice to say. Hopefully the fog clear soon though. Yeah. I'll try to see if we can get a group picture taken.
Come, Tyeisha, quick.
Can I hold it there? Ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Come on. Just some clear skies. Dog, them a die, lad. Good.
It's crazy.
I'll take some for mine. Point in Jamaica. We went through about 2 parishes to get here, but we got here. Or we made it in one piece. We don't know. Look up on yourself. I am. So Lumo Tental, 2,000. Add.
How people do Everest, dog? People do Everest. Then if only for 11 days, then dog. Team came, the team saw, and the team conquered. Not you? We conquered, man. Let's big up Anna. Anna. We do it for you, you see it?
Anna Angie.
Yeah, facts. Do it for all the Maroons.
We're not doing it for Sanjay though.
Oh yeah, you know, say about 10 people did for the funny trip or more, and it just happened that at the 5 away. So Sanjay, Justin, the whole of you know, we not do it for you know.
Yeah. Tired, man. Big ankle and tired. Just want rest.
Put them in the scene.
Yes.
Never so easy. Ready?
Here guys, actually just realized that I didn't shoot an outro. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. If this is the first time to the channel, consider subscribing. If you've been here before, thank you for the continued support. Remember, in everything that you do, be patient, exercise humility, and always be consistent. See you guys in the next video.
Come on, let me show you why you feel like a float man. Slow jams why you feel like listen. Anything to turn in a real life fixin'. Not a drink, girl, you're my addiction. Cause with you, I feel I'm missing nothing, 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 nothing. Nothing, 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 yeah.